Hello guys, today we are going to understand the concept called conditional statements, or many of them they will call it as a decision making statements. You can call it anything is fine. Okay, majorly we will be calling it as a conditional statements. So what are these conditional statements? So the statements which will based on the condition. Okay, if the condition is true, then work one thing. If the condition is false, then do something like that. Decision making statements means this is also same thing itself. Okay, so one decision we will make and that statement is going to run. Okay, there are some types of decision making statements, so let me list out that. The first one is, let me take some different color here. Okay, so if statement, if else statement, and then there is something called else if later. We will be telling here else if later, but it's not a good word to tell that. Instead of that, you can tell it as a else if else. Okay, for your convenience we will make it as a ladder. So why they are calling ladder, we will see that itself. And next is nothing but nested if statements, and there is something called switch statement. Okay, so these are the 5 decision making statements or conditional statements. So let us first discuss the concept called if statement. So if, how it will work means, in the if is a keyword. In the if we are going to give some condition. Okay, if the condition becomes true, so whatever you are writing inside the curly braces, the data is going to be executed. Okay, if the condition is false, what? So then simply it will come out of this block and remaining statement whatever is there, that will be executed. If conditions become true, if condition becomes true, true statements, that is whatever inside this will be executed. Instead of saying like that, let me give it like this. So these are the statements it is going to be executed. Okay, if the condition is false, these are the statements it is going to be executed. Okay, so if true, this will be executed. When this is true, these lines inside these curly braces, whatever you write, it will work. If false, okay, it will just simply come out of here. This block is not going to execute directly, it will come and this will be executed. Okay, so let me show one flow diagram here so that you will clearly understand for the if statement. Okay, observe here. So the main code is going to be started from here, right? Main has been started. So from there it will come to if statement. If the condition true, true statement will execute. Later main continuation code execute. If the condition is false, directly it will come to the main method continuation. So whatever true statements are there, that will not be executed. So let me write it for your convenience. So first main method starts. Second, if condition will be executed. If the condition true, then true statements first is going to be executed, later main continuation. If the statement is false, directly it will come to the main continuation. It will not go to the true statements. Okay, so remember this flow diagram. So later it will be very easier for you to remember the entire concept. Simple. Condition true means true statements, later main continuation. If condition false means directly it will come to the main continuation code. Okay, so hope you guys got a clarity on this. Okay, so let us see some practical example here. I have created something called conditional statements. Inside that I have created one main method. Inside that I am going to start writing the code. So first suppose let us take something into a value 5. Okay, I am giving if some condition a is greater than or greater than 6 something, less than some 10. Okay, so first true we will understand, later we will see false also. Okay, so observe this code here. I have taken one variable 5, and if you see here system.out.println main starts. So first this will be printed, later come here, what is the a value? 5 less than 10. Yeah, condition true means get inside the block or go to the block here. So true statements will be printed, later come out of it. What is next line? Main ends. So let us see this. So Java Macha conditional statements, we are going to give it as demo. Let us compile and run it. Java C demo.java, Java demo. See here, so main starts, the condition is true, so true statements executed, main ends. What if the a value is something like 15? So main starts 15 less than 10. Is 15 is less than 10? No, condition false, so true statements will not execute, directly come to the main ends part. Correct? Now let us check this out. Okay, so Java C demo.java, Java demo. If you see here, main start, main ends. True statements, is it working here? No, true statements are not working. So only main starts. Condition false means directly come out of the block. Okay, so now let me make it as a 5 only and let me test it. I have saved it now this time. Java C demo.java, Java demo. If you see, now the condition true. So whenever true is there, at that time only this will execute, or else it is not going to be executed, this true statement. Okay, when condition false, it will not execute. Okay, so simple, remember, condition true means block will be executed. If condition false means block will not be executed. Remaining everything is same as it is. Okay, hope you guys got a clarity on this. Next one is nothing but if else ladder. Sorry, if else statement.